The lower drive shaft assembly consists of the outer housing tube, the drive shaft, the shaft bushings, and a hanger cap for storage. The components come pre-assembled. Common problems with the shaft assembly are worn drive shaft ends, a broken drive shaft, worn bushings, or damage to the outer tube. Replacing the lower drive shaft assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the trimmer attachment. Now I'll remove the bump cap. And the spool. Now I'll remove the spool. The spool is held in place with a retaining ring. I'll use a screwdriver to pry the retaining ring off, and then some wire cutters to cut it in half. You will need to replace the retaining ring for reassembly. With the retaining ring removed, now I can remove the spool. And now I'll remove the guard. Now I can install the new lower shaft assembly. It ships with a protective cap on the end. I'll go ahead and remove that. Now I'll reinstall the guard. Now reinstall the housing and secure it with a new retaining ring. I'll place the retaining ring over the shaft and then use a socket about the same diameter to install it. Now I can reinstall the spool. I thread the trimmer line through the eyelets. Place it onto the shaft. Pull the line to pull it out of the holders. And then replace the bump knob. And that's all it takes to install a new lower drive shaft assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.